any renovation that requires professional input and professional people, always Gonal Homes, I give you a call, and you know, I trust that when you bring the people, they give an opinion, that opinion matters and they can deliver. That's my experience, and you know, we look forward to doing more projects.
Yeah, it was like a raw space we walked into, so we had all these ideas, and that was pretty exciting at the beginning to try and figure out what we could do and how we were going to go about doing it, and also prioritizing it. We were in a townhouse, kind of a townhouse condos, because it was a stacked townhouse. So it felt like a house, but we were definitely in a condo setting because we had neighbors beside us, we had a neighbor below us, but it was like a 3-story townhouse.
Definitely less stairs.
Yeah.
That was very nice, especially with aging parents. It was nice to come in a flat space that we could just walk out to the patio, not having to go all the stairs up to the rooftop, which was becoming a problem. And I think also stairs eat a lot of square footage, and we almost after 10 years, we were a bit tired of going up and down. So it was a nice change.
I think it's important if you're hiring people for their expertise to actually listen to their point of view, because I mean, we can't all be experts in everything. Funny enough, we did this whole reno from a distance, and we owe that all to him. He was such a organizer.
And to good trades. Yeah, like what? If people organize way in advance, they can actually schedule everything much better without having any surprises. And I think that was, I would say, testament to being away and being able to manage it all remotely was the organization and also working with good trades, because you can rely on them. You can rely that they're going to be there on time and they're going to deliver on time.
We literally left, and the next day your people came in and demolished the kitchen. And the day that we arrived was literally the day after they pushed the stove into place.
And the kitchen was fully functional.